Hey guys, welcome back to Yardie TV. This is the wifey, and today I'm going to be making something outside of the comfort zone. Yes, as we've been trying to do in recent times. Today we're going to be taking on making ice cream. Yes, this is a vegan ice cream, and it was actually inspired by somebody on Instagram. Eating by Elaine is her name, so kudos to her, shout out to her for the inspiration. But today we're gonna get right into the video. It is going to be free of all refined sugars. Of course, you need sugar in your ice cream for it to taste nice and palatable. I promise you it will have sugar, but it won't be refined sugar, so it's better for you. So let's get into the ingredients right now before we get popping. All right, so these are the ingredients. Very few ingredients, simple whole foods. We have zucchini, yes, do not question it or quit it. Zucchini, we have some raw cashew nuts that have been pre-soaked and drained. We have coconut oil, maple syrup, yes, this is pure maple syrup. We have vanilla extract, and of course we have coconut milk, yes, and then a little salt. So let's get into the process and we will. So for the coconut milk, I actually had it in the fridge as recommended. What that did is that it allowed for the cream part of the coconut to solidify, and then when you pour it out you will have the water remaining. Of course you can use the liquid part or the watery part to cook something else like your rice and peas or whatnot, but this is the part that we're going to be using for the ice cream, the solid fat part, full fat portion of it. All right, so to the blender we're going to add all of the ingredients. We have 2 cups of the diced zucchini. We have the can of the full fat coconut cream, adding that to it. 1 cup of the soaked raw cashew nuts. 3/4 cups of pure maple syrup. 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. And this is vanilla extract. And then we're going to be adding our coconut oil. 1/4 cup of coconut oil. And a little bit of salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon to be exact. I'm just doing 2 spins or 2 grinds. All right, so let's get blending, guys. All right, so we're gonna start by blending it on the lowest speed initially. And then gradually increase. All right, so now that it's blended until it's nice and creamy, we're pouring it into a loaf pan. And then you stick it in your refrigerator, no, your freezer, until it's fully frozen. And then you're ready to have your guilty-free, delicious tasting, amazingly flavored ice cream. Yeah. Not just empty calories, not just empty carbs, but nutritious value. Right?
Great.
So the thing set. All right, so I'm gonna set it in the freezer for as much as 8 hours, but I'm gonna keep my eye on it and see if it freezes before that time.
I try to get out everything.
Yeah, he's trying to get out everything. Yeah, so this is it, you guys. This is it. Ready to be frozen. Yeah, the Belly TV. Vegan ice cream. Remember, I'm telling you. Stay tuned for the finished product. Don't go nowhere. Be right back.
Go ahead, baby. Camera. This is so awesome.
Yes.
This is so awesome.
This is so creamy and nice.
Josh, you want to come taste this very, very, very healthy ice cream? Come on.
We made it from scratch.
I gotta taste this ice cream, yeah. It's good.
Why, man?
Tell me if it tastes bad.
You might force to make it taste better.
Come on, tell me. It tastes bad for you?
Put it in your mouth.
Yeah.
Ice cream.
Put it in your mouth.
Tastes like cake.
Tastes like cake? Then that's so good.
It tastes pretty
Pretty what?
good.
I'm gonna pray for you, man. Pray for you. You need Jesus.
If no one love chocolate,
You
ice
need
cream,
Jesus.
that's right.
I like it. It's super duper creamy. It have the right amount of sweetness. Guys, it's really good. It's really, really good. Trust me. You have to try this. And Joshua is right. Let me tell you what it'll give me. It'll give me like a parfait type of vibes, babes. You know? But it's really creamy and nice. It worth it. May I eat this? May I eat this over ice cream any day?
Guilty pleasure. It's a guilt-free pleasure.
Guys, you have to try this. It is so creamy and nice. The cashew provide a nice amount of fat, you know, content. Again, clean fat. The zucchini, you don't even taste the zucchini.
No.
Trust me. Guys, this is great. May I try this? Put it up in one container for me. Oh my Lord, I would eat all of this. The maple syrup was just right.
On the coconut. Coconut milk.
Guys, may I go ham? Look what she did around here. She put nuts in a fair one. So guys, this is one of our experiments. And I give it a A.
Hey.
Me give it a A. So make sure you try this one in your neck of the woods. You understand? Homemade, vegan, tastes good ice cream. Trust me.
He's gonna try the dragon.
May I use dragon stout and make one next time. Remember me tell you.
It's nice with the nuts.
Big up on yourself. Live and laugh, cook and eat. Yardie Belly TV.